Almost 4 cups leftover of homemade ghee from milk cream. Put the leftover into a heated pot. Cook it until it's heated and smooth. Add a 1/4 cup oil to it. Cook it until it is mixed properly, and crush mixture. Now it seems cooked and smooth. Add 1 cup of granulated wheat suji in it. Mix it. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes until suji is cooked. Add 4-5 crushed green cardamom 𝙀𝙕𝙄𝙃𝙕, or you can add powder of green cardamom. Add 3 cups of water in it. And stir it. Add 1.5 cups of sugar or a curding to your taste in it. Cook it until it changes its color and forms smooth halwa mixture. And it's cooked. As you can see its color and smoothness. Serve when it is cool, and garnish it by adding a layer of dry nuts on top.